Everyone take fresh space on the top, keep heading. Chapter 2. Chapter 2. Triangles. Chapter 2. Triangles. Take fresh space on the top, keep heading. Chapter 2. Triangles. Yes. Take fresh space, everyone. Keep heading. Chapter 2. Triangles. Before starting this triangle concept, firstly, I want to explain about polygon concept because polygon is very important concept in this chapter. What is polygon concept? Poly means multiple. Gun means side. Poly means multiple. Gun means side. What is polygon? Polygon is a simple closed plane figure made by three or more than three line segments. What is polygon? Polygon is a simple closed plane figure made by three or more line segment. What is polygon? Polygon is a simple closed plane figure made by three or more line segment. Now what is triangle? Triangle is also polygon because triangle have three sides and three sides is the plane figure. I told what is polygon. Polygon is a simple closed plane figure made by three or more line segments. Then what is rectangle? Rectangle is a polygon. Yes, rectangle is a polygon. Next, square is a polygon. Yes. Rhombus is a polygon. Yes. Trapezium is a polygon. Yes. Parallelogram is a polygon. Yes. Circle is a polygon. No. Circle is not a polygon because circle don't have line segments, right? Circle is not a polygon. Circle is a curved figure, not a plane figure. I told what is polygon. Polygon is a simple closed plane figure made by three or more line segment. Left side keep heading. Polygon. First keep heading. Polygon. If anyone is asking what is the meaning of polygon, then you can say answer. Poly means multiple. Gun means sides. If any figure is containing more than three sides, that is called polygon. Poly means multiple, guns means sides. Guns means not a gun, that is different gun. That this is multiple sides is called polygon. Yes. Now down. Polygon is a simple closed plane figure. Polygon is a polygon is a simple closed polygon is a simple closed plane figure. Polygon is a simple closed plane figure. Polygon is a simple closed plane figure. Polygon is a simple closed Polygon is a simple closed plane figure made up of three or more line segments. Three or more line segments. If any line segment is containing two, that is not a polygon. Three or more line segments. Three or more line segments. Example, first polygon is starting from triangle only, because triangle have three sides. Triangles, comma, rectangles, comma, squares, comma, dot dot, etc. Triangles, comma, rectangles, comma, squares, comma, dot dot, etc. Now we are going to learn first polygon, that is triangle. Let's write keep heading triangle. Yeah. What is triangle? Triangle is also a simple closed figure made up of three line segments. Note down. A triangle is a simple closed figure a triangle is a triangle is simple closed figure. A triangle is simple closed figure made up of three line segments. Made up of three line segments. A triangle is a simple closed figure made up of three line segments. Paragraph change. It has three vertices. It has three vertices. It has three vertices. Vertex is the singular, vertices is the plural. It has three vertices, comma, three sides, and three angles. Three angles. It is denoted by this symbol. It is denoted by this symbol. This symbol is called delta symbol, okay? Delta. It is denoted by this symbol. Draw one figure. Yeah, very good. Triangle has three vertices, three sides, and three angles. It is denoted by delta symbol. Now, what is the meaning of vertices? If two or more than 2 points, yeah, if two or more than two line segments are meeting at one point, that point is also called as common initial point or vertex. If two or more than two line segment are meeting at one point, that point is called common initial point or vertex. Second way we can say vertex is also called as corner. Vertex is also called as corner. Left side note down. Vertices. Left side write down. Vertices. Vertex is the singular. Vertices is the plural. Vertices A comma B and C. There are three vertices A comma B and C. Sides. How many sides are there? There are three sides AB, BC and CA. A, B, B, C, and C, A. Don't write small letter, rise with the help of capital letters only. A, B, comma, B, C, and C, A. Next, angles. How many angles are there? There are three angles are there. Angle A, angle B, and angle C. But how to say angle A? Angle, we can say angle BAC. Middle is the angle. Angle BAC, comma, angle ACB, angle BAC, angle A completed. Next, angle ABC, angle ABC, angle B also completed. Last, angle, angle and angle, angle, angle BCA. Always middle will be angle. Angle ABC, BCA and BAC. Next, interior point. Interior point. Interior point. Inside figure, how many point is lying? Only one point. That point is P. Exterior points. Exterior points, how many are there? Two. R and S. What is the name of Q? Points on boundary. Points on boundary is Q. Point on boundary. Only one point is there, miss point. Point on boundary. Q. Points on boundary is Q. Yes. All students stop writing. Concentrate here now. Stop writing, everyone. Concentrate here. Don't write anything. Don't draw anything. Concentrate. Don't write anything. Observe here, everyone. In this figure, what you are observing, student? Something is there in this figure. Down three angles are there. Three are different. Three, angle 3, angle 1, angle 2. Which angle is forming? What is the name of that angle? What is the name of this angle? Linear pair angle. Linear pair angle or straight angle. This is the figure of straight line. Okay. Linear pair angle. Linear pair angle is also called as straight angle concept. Linear pair angle is also called as straight angle concept. Linear pair angle is also called as straight angle concept. Now down here, angle 3 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180-degree. Straight angle. Straight angles. Or we can interchange angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180-degree. This is called angle sum property of triangle. This is called angle sum property of triangle. The sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180-degree. That is called angle sum property of triangle. Keep heading. Angle sum property of triangle. After drawing this figure, down keep heading. Angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. The sum of all the three angles of a triangle. The sum of all the three the sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is called angle sum property of triangle. The sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is called angle sum property of triangle. Suppose this is triangle ABC. How many angles are there? Three angles are there. I can write here angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Example first. Find the value of x in the following figure. Find the value of x find the value of x in the following figure. Find the value of x in the following figure. This figure is looking like triangle. We know angle sum property of triangle. The sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Then I will write here angle A plus angle B plus angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Don't forget to write comment. Angle A 80 degree, angle B 60 degree, angle C is x is equal to 180 degree. 80 plus 60, 140 plus x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. X is equal to 40 degree. The value of x has come 40 degree. How to check our answer is right or wrong? 60 plus 60 degree plus 80 degree plus 40 degree. When you will add, this answer will become what? 180 degree. If answer will come less than 180, then your answer is wrong. Second question, find the value of x in the given figure. Example 2, find the value of x in the given figure again. I want to apply here angle sum property of triangle. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property. Angle P is x, angle Q also x, angle R is 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. X plus x both are like term. 2x plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now 40 degree is constant. I want to transfer to the right side. 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. 2x is equal to 140 degree. Now 2x means 2 into x. Multiplication quantity becomes division. 140 degree divided by 2. 70 degree. Now both angle will be 70 degree because both angle are equal. 70 plus 70, 140, 140 plus 40, 180 our right answer.